everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video we're going to unbox the January subscription kits from PIpsticks, and we're gonna start with the Classic Pro. I honestly already forgot what it was. It's been a hectic month, so I know that we're both cute. I know that already for February I skipped the Classic Pro. I think I kept one of both and then I skipped the other. So yeah, good thing about having bad memories that I actually like to be surprised by my kids. But that's a good thing. This is the Pippi magazine that comes in every single issue. Oh, this is so cute. This is very Leilani. She's very Y2K aesthetic, and this is what it comes with the subscription. It says that it's $60 worth of stickers, and every subscription I believe is like $21 or $22. And yeah, and the ones on the top are the ones that come in the Petite kit. Oh, this is so cute. It's a note from Mo, and it has like I am sort of boxes. This is really cute. Oh, and you see it says that it's very Y2K. That's pretty cool. And then we have some pattern papers. This is very cute. You can totally turn this into like a little scrapbook. Talk to the hand. That's very Clueless. Okay, so this is the Powerpuff Girls. I know that this is Clueless. Inside of this, there are the spoilers for next month, which I don't want to see. And there was like a hippie sort of vibe in the late 90s. So that's where those colors are coming from. Let me open the camera to see what is this. Oh, it says page not found. This is the second time that happens. That's too bad. I was kind of looking forward to that. But, oh well. And these are the stickers. Let's move this to the side. Oh, I do need a white background. Let me get one. Oh, I can use this. So this is a Sleepover Squad, and it's a limited edition. That means that it only comes in the kit, and it's exactly what it says. It's very cute. I like it. I'm not a big sleepover fan, but it's so very cute, and I can use that on something. Pajama Party Essentials, and I love the butterfly clips and these. I forgot what they were, but they hurt like hell when you let them go. Mash, that is so cute. Okay, this is adorable. And then we have grape soda and orange soda, some pajamas. That is so cute. We have friendship bracelets, not bracelets, necklaces. They're really cute. I am so sorry. I'm talking weird because I just put on a tray and it's squeezing the life out of me. Ugh, sucks. Are you kidding me? I don't remember this at all. Maybe I didn't look too close. Maybe I looked at it a little bit and then I was like, yeah, that's cool. That is so cute. So it's instant messages. That is so cute. I like this one. Entry label away, out, sticking up the word with my stickers. The stickers is spelled at the end with a Z. That's so cute. Okay, I'm obsessed. Oh, oh. Oh no. Okay. So these are cute. It's called Bright and Smiley, and this one is Dialogues. Pajama Party Essentials. This one is a limited edition. It's very cute. And this is kind of what I'm going through right now. I just don't have the metal thingies. I just have the trays, which suck. They're the worst and I hate them. And it's called Brace Face. You have a toothpaste squeezed out. That's pretty cool. And toothbrushes. Love a sprinkle, always. Oh my god, I love this one. I bought one like this. Where did I get it? Let me show you. I think I got this one at Joann's. They are very similar. These ones are kind of puffy. I love them. And it's called 8-Bit Icons. That's really cool. We have the vinyl sticker, which I love it. It says see you later. And here we have a tech time warp, and I love it. The beepers, the pagers, the Game Boy Color, Tamagotchi, the cameras, CD players. That is so cute. This one is called Trendy Threads, and it's a limited edition. I see these pants and I know that they're low and I'm uncomfortable and I want to pull them up immediately. I hated the low pants trend because I have a big butt and I don't want to show my butt crack. Oh, but you can have like a little flip phone and some purses, small glasses. That is so cute. Oh my god, what a throwback. I also hated the platform flip-flops. I just don't like flip-flops in general. Like, I'm clumsy already and always tripping. Vector Vibes Alphabet, another limited edition. I feel weird about that. I kind of don't like it, but I like it. Like, it fits the whole vibe, but we'll see if I get to use it. Really cute. I like the colors. It's just, I don't know. When I try to put like a word together, to me it's the, maybe I need to use it. It's one of those. Be Kind, Rewind, and that is obviously a Blockbuster's thing. Oh, but it's called Pips Video instead of Blockbuster. That's really cool. And it has new releases, and I feel like I have seen, like I know them. Like you can always see Shrek and Legally Blonde and The Devil Wears Prada. This is Juno. There's a few, but honestly I have to ask my husband. He probably knows all of them. Charlie Beloved, the plastic chairs. And retro rings. We have all kinds of cell phones here, and the iPod. That's pretty cool. And this one, Baby Call Me, Beep Me, Talk to You Later, Stop, Totally Cool, Later Loser, That's Hot, Y2K, BFFL, Girls Rule, Boys Rule, Angels, and 2000s Baby. That's really cool. And this is the postcard. The postcard, I always like these more than the kids one, but I think it's just I don't like the coloring thing, which is the most important part. Okay, so this kit was awesome. That That is so cute. It's cute and it's cool, and I like a lot of them. I always pick a top 3, and I think that in this case I'm gonna go with this one, Pajama Party Essentials, Dial-Up Dialogues, and 8-bit icons. I think this one is my favorite overall, and then this one, and then this one. But it was a really cool kit. Okay, and I have no idea how I'm going to put this in categories in my sticker organizer that I got from PIpsticks, and I don't know if they fit. It's already so thick and fat. I think I showed it in my last PIpstick video, so you may want to check that out if you want to see it. Let's see the kits subscription. Oh, this has a little pull tab, and I forgot to add this to the pile. Okay, now I remember why I never used pull tab. Okay, so we have a Petite that is so cute. We'll always have activities, and there was I don't think it was highlights. I used to get these books with lots of activities, and I loved that. Like whenever I went to the doctor, my mom would buy one. These are so cute. I think my youngest would love this. And then you can do a sticker match. Okay. I already see a cute puppy that I like. So that's a solid way to start. Let me put this here. I don't know why I don't want to mix them. I'm still gonna break them apart for the album. Okay, it doesn't have a name. These puffy usually don't, but it's really cute, and I think that these are already available individually on their website. I've been avoiding their website. I wanted to finish my December daily and clean up my desk so I can do an unboxing, and I didn't have to get, like, you know, ruin the surprise. Oh, here's some of these. I hope it doesn't ruin the sticker. Well, we'll see later. Okay, these ones are Cupid critters, and that is so cute. They all have like wings and a bow and arrow. That's so silly. I love this one. It's called Heart Forms, and it's a limited edition, and I love this one. These are blooms and mushrooms. This is really cute. It's kind of Alice in Wonderland. I think it's just the roses. It's really pretty. Okay, these are hearts. That is so cute. One thing about them is that they usually do, if they're gonna do a holiday, like during the holidays and Halloween, they always do it the month before, and I really appreciate that. I hope they never change it. Oh. Okay, oops. I took one of the balls. These are woven together, another limited edition. These are friendship bracelets. Okay, these are all occasion capybara. I don't know what's up with PIpsticks and capybaras. These are weird, but they are funny. This one has kind of like the plastic lifted. I hope that doesn't ruin the sticker. But you have one doing yoga, a cow capybara, I don't know, a mermaid doing martial arts. They're so silly. I like the one with the birthday cake. And then we have Forever Love, and it's just puppies and kittens and flowers. This is happening a lot. Okay, seems fine though. Tweet and Tender, another limited edition. These are birds, parrots. I like these simple ones. And there are 2 hearts in here. So you can put a photo in the middle, maybe. Something else like a little shaker or a pattern paper. That's cute. And then you have smaller ones. This probably looks like way too simple, but it's really cute. And then we have Blast of Love, and this is so creative. It's basically look like planets with hearts. Oh, Scratch and Sniff bubblegum. Chew the best. Oh yeah, it does smell like bubblegum. Unbelievable. Okay, this is adorable. And this one doesn't have a name either, but it's just juice boxes. It's very cute. I love these smaller stickers. This is Playing with Hearts. And it's the same kittens that were in the Pippi. This is really cute. And then we have these again. I love a basic shape. This is color-coded hearts, and I love the colors. I have a few that are hearts like this, and I have one right here. There's kind of a staple. They're just awesome, good shapes. And then we have the kitten with the yarn. It's really cute. Okay, this one has been one of my favorite ones. Okay, so I have to pick a top 3 for this one too. See, I like this one, this one, this one, this one, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Scratch and Sniff, the puffy one, and the hearts. Yeah, so these are my favorite. But the whole kit was really cute, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see a flip through of this, I think I shared it in my last video, so you can check it out. It's already really thick. I don't know how I'm gonna fit these in there, but hopefully it works. I'm very happy with both. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!